Have you ever wondered why some organizations consistently outperform their competitors, even in challenging times? The secret often lies in the quality of their leadership. Organizations without a culture of leadership excellence often struggle with a range of issues. They may find it difficult to adapt to market changes, struggle with employee retention, and fail to innovate effectively. This can lead to stagnation, loss of market share, and a decline in overall performance. For individuals within these organizations, the lack of leadership excellence can result in a demotivating work environment, unclear career paths, and a sense of disconnection from the company's mission and values. Teams may suffer from poor communication, lack of direction, and inefficient processes. This comprehensive leadership excellence program is designed to address these challenges head-on. It provides a structured approach to developing exceptional leaders at all levels of the organization, from emerging talents to seasoned executives. Participants will develop crucial skills such as strategic thinking, emotional intelligence, change management, and visionary leadership. They'll learn how to inspire and motivate teams, make difficult decisions, and drive organizational transformation. The benefits of this program extend far beyond individual growth. Organizations will see improved employee engagement, increased productivity, and enhanced ability to navigate complex business landscapes. They'll develop a strong leadership pipeline, ensuring continuity and growth for years to come. On a personal level, participants will experience accelerated career growth, increased job satisfaction, and greater confidence in their ability to lead. Their teams will benefit from improved guidance, clearer vision, and a more empowering work environment. The impact on the organization is profound. With a cadre of excellent leaders at all levels, the organization becomes more agile, innovative, and resilient. It's better equipped to seize opportunities, overcome challenges, and stay ahead of the competition. Don't settle for mediocre leadership. Invest in this transformative program and unlock the full potential of your leaders and your organization. Start building a culture of leadership excellence today, and watch your organization soar to new heights.